Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make playlists on YouTube Music. First thing you just open up your YouTube Music and then play the song you want to add. Okay, we have featured playlists for you here. So you can just take featured playlist here. But now I want to create your own playlist. So how to do that? You go to the music. Now all these are music videos and stuff. So you want to make your own playlist. So you tap on the music you want to listen to. You want to add your playlist. Tap on the top right corner. Or 3 dots at the top right corner. Tap on add to playlist, and then tap on create a new playlist. I'm putting the title of the new playlist. Tap on create. It's as simple as that. So now, when you add this one to playlist, you see the playlist you've created and you put it there. That's it. So now let's say I want to add this to playlist. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. So for you to download, I've not listened it. Tap on save. Save one song to playlist. So I've not made any playlist for the videos, I only made for the other parts. So tap on new playlist, title and description. Make sure the title is high. Then describe again, choose to be public, unlisted or private. Which is public, it means YouTube channel is required. It's unlisted, YouTube channel is also required, but if you choose private, only you can view it. So let's say I choose private. Then I tap on create. So then I add to the playlist high. So you can download it, you can edit it, share it, you can even shuffle play next, delete, spin, and the rest of them. It is as simple as that. That is how to make a playlist on YouTube Music.